Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about what to do after the Lionsgate portal has reached its peak. Everything that you should be doing past the point of 8th of August, and you can of course continue to do these even after the portal closes, which will be the 12th of August. Before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to book my services on ritakaminski.com. I offer one-on-one coaching, collective coaching, courses, and customized subliminals. And with that, let's get into it. So first of all, how do you know that your manifestations are unfolding? Here are the signs. The number one sign should be you are in this calm knowing that it is already done. You don't feel the need to check. But even if you do, it's okay. Listen, as long as you are continually living in the end, you are good. Trust me. Other signs that are exciting to see but aren't necessary, because as long as you're living in the end of your state, you're good. But we like to keep it fun on this channel, and seeing signs makes someone feel supported. So I'm not going to shut down signs, and I'm not going to shut down Lionsgate portal, okay? First thing is synchronicities and seeing certain numbers to do with your manifestation. For example, if you're manifesting money, you may be seeing a lot of 88 or 888 everywhere. You are seeing phrases and songs and things outside, like in real life or in movies and the media, to do with your manifestation. Like you may be manifesting being a YouTuber, and then you see someone trying to be a YouTuber in a movie like the next day. All of a sudden you're getting opportunities that are aligning to your goal and your manifestation. That is also a sign that you are already in the state and it's coming to you. And the final sign is when you see any triggers that come up, you aren't actually emotionally affected by it. So if you're manifesting a text from your SP, but you haven't even seen that they've looked at your story, you're not affected by that because you're already in the reality where you're in a relationship, texting nonstop. So what does it matter if they haven't checked your story? The main thing that we should be doing after the peak of Lionsgate portal is staying in the state consistently and not falling back on old patterns, old stories. Whenever you have a doubt, literally just tell yourself, that's an old story. It's no longer true. If it doesn't feel good, it is literally not the truth. The truth is whatever I say is the truth. And I say that I earn $1 million a month, whatever it is. It's already done. It's mine. You also want to continue to not look at the 3D and seeing movement or proof that it's coming to you. You already have it, so you don't need to be checking. Seriously, what is the mother effing point in checking when you already know that you have your manifestation in this current moment? Always consistently remind yourself as well that this portal didn't end, because you're now living in the timeline. Whatever you locked yourself into in this portal, you are now living. Of course, if it's something that isn't favorable, you can change around in your mind. But ride that portal wave if you did manifest correctly and in your favor on the 8th of August. We also want to be continuing to ride the wave of the routines that we did. I would highly recommend watching the last 2 videos on the Lionsgate portal that are up on my channel. You want to be continuing doing these routines and locking into your new state. You're only helping yourself by doing that. So how do you ride the wave after the 8th of August? Anytime you think about your manifestation, you tell yourself that you have it, you live in the end, you really feel that it is done right now. Ask yourself in that moment, if I had this thing right now, how would I feel? And feel those feelings. Act and think like it's already in your reality, because it is. Follow your joy and your intuition and be open to opportunities on a moment-to-moment basis, because now that you are in the timeline of having your manifestation, certain things will come to you to do. I'm not saying that you have to put in action in the 3D, but if something does pop up, that is part of your manifestation process unfolding, as long as you are not doing it in a desperate energy. You want to keep your affirmations playful and light. Don't change them up. Whatever you think that you would be thinking when you are in the state of the wish fulfilled, those are your affirmations. Think as the person who has their thing. Remember, this is the afterburn of the portal. Keep your energy locked in. Keep living in the end, and you will see things shift faster than you can imagine. Latest that it takes is a couple of weeks. If it's not working after a couple of weeks, you're doing it wrong. Keep locking in. All you have is this moment, so use it. And with that, I trust this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.